All right, today we're diving into the incredible story of Maa Kushmanda. She's the goddess we honor on the fourth day of Navratri, and her story is, well, it's cosmic. She is said to have created the entire universe, not with some huge explosion, but with something way more gentle and honestly pretty amazing.
So let's start with a really big question. Think about it. Before any of the stuff we know, before the stars, the planets, before there was even light itself, what was there? Just nothing? A big, empty, silent void?
Well, according to this particular story, the answer is so much simpler and honestly way more beautiful. Before the Big Bang, before any of it, there was just a smile. I know. It sounds kind of impossible, right? How can an entire universe, everything we see and know, begin with something as simple as a smile? Let's unpack this creation story. So the story starts in absolute total nothingness. Imagine an endless, silent, pitch-black void. No light, no sound, no matter. Just pure, empty space. And then, right from the heart of that darkness, a divine presence starts to emerge. And this wasn't some violent explosion. It was a gentle, warm light that just began to glow, all from her divine smile. This divine being you see was the goddess Kushmanda. Her smile didn't just bring light into the void. It radiated this powerful cosmic energy that came together to form what's called the cosmic egg, the Anda. This was literally the seed of everything to come, the sun, the planets, all life in the universe. It all started there. And what's really incredible is that this entire creation story is actually hidden inside her name. Once you break it down, you can see the whole universe just unfold right in front of you. Her name is literally the story in three parts. You have Ku, which means little. Then there's Ushma, which means warmth or cosmic energy. And finally, Anda, which is the cosmic egg. So you put it all together, and Kushmanda basically means the little cosmic egg of energy. The whole story is right there in her name. How cool is that? So now that we get her role as this ultimate creator, let's take a look at how she's actually depicted, because her form, her image, tells us even more about her immense power. You'll see her form is just packed with these powerful symbols. She rides a lion, which stands for courage and incredible strength. Her 8 arms hold all sorts of things, weapons to destroy negativity, but also a rosary and a lotus for spiritual creation. And her entire body is said to glow with the light of the sun, because, well, she is the source of the sun's energy. Now, I know this all might sound like a huge, ancient, cosmic myth, and it is, but it also has very, very real meaning for people today. So why does this story still matter to us now? In a modern sense, Kushmanda really embodies that power of creation, but on a personal level. Think about it. She represents the spark of a new idea you have, right? The positive energy you need to push through a tough time. She's all about health and vitality, that life-giving force we get from the sun. She's really an inspiration to find and grow our own inner light. And during Navratri, her day of worship is all about the color red. And that's not just some random choice. Red symbolizes that immense power, that fiery passion, and the raw, divine energy it took to create an entire universe from literally nothing. So, when people worship her, they're not just honoring an old story. They're seeking really tangible things in their own lives. They pray for good health, for renewed energy and confidence. They ask for success when they're starting something new, and for the strength to clear out all the negativity from their lives. Which kind of brings us to a final thought, doesn't it? The story of Kushmanda teaches us that the most powerful creative force in existence started with something as simple and gentle as a smile. So it leaves us with this question. If a whole universe can be born from just a single moment of warmth and light, what new energy, what new idea, what little bit of positivity are you going to create in your world today?